الواحد الأحد في ذاته وصفاته وأسمائه وأفعاله وأحكامه، والصلاة والسلام على رسوله أشرف البريات وعلى آله المنتجبين وأصحابه المنتخبين الأجمعين. أما بعد، فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. وقال الله تعالى في مقام آخر: إن الذين يؤذون الله ورسوله لعنهم الله في الدنيا والآخرة وأعد لهم عذابا مهينا. صدق الله العظيم. Dear audience, Islam is such a religion, and Islam has such a power that it is spreading rapidly in the world, and people consider attachment to it as their source of salvation. But at the same time, the anti-Islamic forces are keep trying to distort the beautiful face of Islam and the beautiful message of Islam. Many conspiracies were hatched from the British mainland in every era. Let there be Israel be established, or to divide Muslim into many sects in the Islamic countries, or let there be a Mirza Qadian group. Behind all this, you will find the British thinking, the British money, the British conspiracies and his people. Not only British, not only UK, there are countries like India, Israel and America are also considered behind this. There are two agencies of British named MI5 and MI6 whose only mission is to destroy the unity between the Muslim and to make them fights among themselves and to end their mutual relations. That's why a man named Yasir Habib was appeared from the British, and he was firstly considered as a Shia scholar. And because of his eloquence, he became very popular, and a TV channel was launched for his speeches. But one day, from his channel, a slogan was spread against our beloved Ummul Mu'mineen, Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiyallahu anha. And that slogan was very dangerous, very pathetic, that I cannot even repeat that. After this slogan, every person who had been in love with the companions of Prophet, peace be upon him, who had been in love with the family members of Prophet, peace be upon him, criticized him a lot and his slogan. And a fatwa was also issued. But that was not enough. Anyway, then Yasir Habib provided a content of a movie named The Lady of Heaven to a British company named Enlightened Kingdom Hannibal Media. And this company created this movie by spending $50 million on it. $50 million on it. And this movie was firstly tried to be published in America in 2021. But by the grace of Allah and by the protest of American Muslim, this matter was stopped. But sadly, recently, its trailer has been uploaded in British. And its date of realization has been announced on 6th June 2022. Its date of realization has been announced. But dear audience, being a Muslim, we have a question. What is the content of this movie? Basically, its content against the Islamic morals, Islamic rules, and against the Islamic great entities like Hazrat Fatima radiallahu anha and Khulafai Rashidin Ridwanullahi alayhim ajmain. But we appreciate, being a Muslim, British Muslim, that they are protesting now outside the different British cinemas, and it is time to reunite all the Muslim and scholars to stand against this movie and stand with the protest against this movie. وَمَا تَوْفِيقِ إِلَّا بِاللَّهِ.